Hello everyone, welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Zacconi Espresso machine. Now for this machine we did a lot of work. We basically had to disassemble the whole machine and replace every gasket of the machine itself. These are the surviving gaskets that basically did not get destroyed and were able to remove successfully. Most of them are made out of material that once you remove it, it just breaks into little pieces. So we actually had to replace this one as well, and that is the reason because for the replacement is because if you see right here, there's a hairline crack right there, and that was not gonna prevent us from getting it all the way, and that was gonna create a leak. So we had to replace the entire pressure stat tube. We also give this machine a tune-up, replace the little gaskets that you see here from the piston, group head, side glass, steam one, and as well as the cap, boiler gaskets, and other gaskets as well. It was a very big repair. I have a couple of pictures. Fortunately, when we had this machine completely off, and that would be the machine itself. You can see the little rods and all the hidden element and all these parts. We clean everything in there to make sure that there were no coffee buildup or anything around it. So we make sure everything is really clean. Replace the gasket from the boilers, from the steam one, side glass base, and yeah, we just gave it a good gasket replacement on the entire machine. So before we do a shot, we can check that there's no condensation underneath the machine. There's no leaks coming out from there. No leaks, no condensation coming out from the top of the boiler as well, from the sides, or from the side of the gasket as well. We already tested this machine for quite a while, so we're pretty confident that it's not going to leak. So starting with 1 shot of espresso, we're going to test it out right now. Hopefully I pick up the right grades of this machine. Otherwise you're going to see drip coffee or coffee barely dripping. Perfect. Water is siphoning through the group head. Now going to the lever, and it should go now back to the cup. Nice steady stream coming out of the machine. Really good crema. Probably I tampered a bit too hard, but as you can see, we got really good crema coming out of the machine. An excellent shot for the Zacconi. Steam pressure is working perfectly fine. Having really good steam coming out of the boiler. Taking the pressure, working excellent. And there you have it, baby Zacconi with new boiler gaskets and a bunch of other stuff being replaced. So it's working once again, not leaking. Working the way it's supposed to be. So thank you so much for repairing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content this every day. And thanks for watching.